Today, we will learn how to change the background color of an image to black and white using CapCut. Let's start with this image as an example. Right-click on the image and select Set as background. Next, duplicate this page. Click on the duplicated page's image, go to Edit, and then click on Adjust. Change the area to background. Scroll down and adjust the saturation to -100. And there you have it. We have successfully changed the background of the image to black and white. Now let's see how we can create a transition from a colored background to a black and white background. Click on Thumbnail View, hover between the two pages and click Add Transition. Choose Match and Move. Adjust the duration time as needed. And that's it. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.